Hi guys, recently we were asked a question if the HTC One X is a better phone when compared with the Sony Xperia S or not. So let us just give a quick check on both of these phones. So here is the Sony Xperia S smartphone, which has a large screen which is almost similar to the HTC One X, but the UI is completely different, and the first and most important point which you need to make note of is the operating system version, wherein the Sony Xperia S comes with Android firmware 2.3.7 Gingerbread, while the HTC One X comes with Ice Cream Sandwich pre-installed. So that's one very much important note you need to make of. Apart from that, Sony has already released the ICS update for the Xperia S and different Xperia phones, but again it's not available for everyone all over the world right now, and it's limited to few European countries. Next, the Sony Xperia S comes with a 12 megapixel camera, while the HTC One X comes with 8 megapixel camera. But if you go for the final shots or the camera pictures, you would find that the HTC One X photo snaps are better than the Sony Xperia S. So here let us just quickly compare the pictures and show you the same. So here you can see the picture here was taken with the default settings of 12 megapixel camera, and you can see the exposure was quite perfect, and we would just add these photos to your video and show you the demo of the same. Now let me just take the same shot with the HTC One X. The picture quality almost looks similar, and there's not much difference with the Sony offering you the 12 megapixel facility. So in this case I would say like both of the phones are having a neutral value. And then when you talk about the applications, the One X comes with a few pre-installed apps specifically for the Indian audience, while the Xperia S comes up with some applications under the Xperia app system, like the Vice Palette, which is for directions, and the football downloads, Track ID, WhatsApp, while the HTC One X comes with few Indian specific applications like Bollywood Hungama, 7 Digital, as you can see here. So this is clearly it clearly shows that these kind of applications are available for their respective countries. And then when you talk about the form factor, the HTC One X has a rounded corners on the sides and the bottom, while the NFC tags are NFC option is available on the back here. And the phone supports Beats audio, but then HTC One X doesn't come with the Beats headsets, but just supports the same, which means that HTC is actually not offering you the headset, and it should have offered you, because you're already paying somewhere around $800 or around 40,000 rupees for this phone, and you would expect a pretty good headset which is listed on the back of the phone. Below that there are the speakers. So overall, if you are comparing both of these phones, and if you would find that both of them are available at the same price, we would suggest you to go for the HTC One X. And the only reason we would say you should be going for the Sony Xperia S is the NFC tags, which is smart tags which come with this device. You get a pack of 2 smart tags, and you can buy them separately if you need more. Apart from that, there is no specific reason why we would suggest you to go for a Sony Xperia S. Thanks for watching.